Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2025 Cadillac XT5 Sport featuring crystal white tricoat with the brown interior. Under the hood sits a 3.6-liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, backup camera, hands-free power liftgate, wireless charging, front and rear park assist, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have Bose speakers, primary seating, powered windows and mirrors, main Bose speaker below, and the liftgate controls. Taking a look at the seats. To the bottom left, we have the power seating and lumbar. We can hop inside. Just to the left, we have the power park brake, as well as the head-up display. On the steering wheel here, to the left, we have our cruise control with the heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, and forward collision alert. And to the right, we have the cluster as well as audio controls. Checking out the infotainment system, we can start off with the audio. It comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect to a phone using Bluetooth. Onto the navigation, here's our map. It's also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, we have the backup camera, surround vision. Below that, climate controls with heated and vented front seats, infotainment system controls, 2 cup holders, wireless phone charging, and the center console. Storage up top as well as down below with 2 USB plugins. Up top is the digital rear view mirror, OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, and the power sunroof controls. Here's the sunroof. And here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, we have some XT5 and Cadillac badging. To open up the back, all we gotta do is double click. We have a ton of storage space back here, rear storage net, rear storage cover for extra privacy. We have lights on the other side for visibility, and we can drop these rear seats down, making a ton of extra space. Checking out just below here, we also have some hidden storage. Houses the spare tire and jack. Very spacious back here, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have Bose speakers, powered windows, cup holder down below. We have a 60-40 seat split, and we can hop inside. At the back of each seat, we have magazine holders. In the middle, we have our rear climate controls, vents, storage. Down at the bottom, 2 USBs. Up top, handles paired with a dome light, matched on the other side. And in the middle here, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. We get a great view of this power sunroof. And here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2025 Cadillac XT5 Sport. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.